Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the WUBEN E7 with 1800 lumen power. It's a rechargeable mini flashlight with a magnet, super bright 6 modes EDC flashlight, a Typ-C rechargeable LED, IP68 pocket flashlight for headlamp use, for rescue, for camping, for everyday use. And it is available in army green, in khaki, in black, as you can see. And we can also buy additional parts for it to gain this a little bit more. That means we can buy tubes, sensors, or we can buy a headlamp strip. It's available on the market. We have an adjustable light modes. The WUBEN E7 flashlights provide 6 lighting modes, including high, medium, low, super bright, strobe and SOS with memory function. And we have a rechargeable battery, which is equipped with 1100 mAh rechargeable battery that fully charged in only 1.5 hours and has a battery level indicator light. And we have a waterproof design. It's made out of aircraft-grade aluminum alloy with an IP68 waterproof rating, this allowing us it to be fully submerged. And it's multifunction use. It has a strong magnet to hold iron objects. We clip it to attach the pocket or gear and the headlamp clip, which is not included, to use as a headlamp too, if we like that. And we have a bright output. It produces up to 1800 lumens output and 175 degrees wide angle floodlight for a stable illumination. And you can use it for easy peasy carry for light white, high, delicate, wild, black, army green or khaki. Really cool. Maximum output is a big bunch of power, 1800 lumens. Maximum throw is 132 meters. Maximum runtime, 60 hours. So let's free our hands with that. We can choose for color temperature 5000 K for Kelvin and 6500 K. We can make low to save energy. We can make medium, high, or super bright to see a lot of in front of us. Of course, we can use Typ-C charging. It's charged really fast, about 1.5 up to 3 hours. It's full charged. It's small and lightweight. The E7 boost sleeve design is only 2.38 to 0.94 to 1.10 inches, and it a leather light weight of just 80 grams. And of course, we have an easy clip to hats, clothing pockets, or attach it to objects containing iron. With that portable stuff, we attach it to iron with the magnet. We clip it on our pocket with the clip and it comes with a cool long run time and a long beam distance. Intensity 4356 candela. We have 2 P9 LEDs. Impact resistant 1 meter, no prop. We can use the IP68 water proof level indicator. That means 2 meters underwater for 1 hour. No prop, baby. And lightweight, 63 grams only. Really cool. That's not a big bunch of gram. We have good specifications. We have good stuff here with that WUBEN 1800 lumen rechargeable mini flashlight with magnet use. For first use, we remove the insulation plate. That's important. And then we can start. Push once. There is an on-off switch. Push 4 times to lock it while you go traveling or something else, for vacation and so on. We hold it, the beam, then we go switch between low, medium or high. We push 2 times on a button. That means turbo mode activated. And 3 times we can make on the strobe or the SOS. When the battery is low and the red light is flashing, the flashlight does not support the turbo brightness and the high brightness mode. We have a power indicator. Red means charge, or of course it means the electric quantity, and fully charged is blue. We need a Typ-C charging cable, 5 volt 1 ampere, and 1.5 hour job's done. We can reload it on a power bank. We can reload it on a laptop, on a computer, on an AC adapter, on nearly every USB-C source. That's no big deal to reload this WUBEN E7 Lumen 1800 Lumen Rechargeable Mini Flashlight with magnet, super bright, 6 modes, EDC Flashlight by WUBEN. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.